Managing your personal finances can feel overwhelming at times, but avoiding common mistakes can make the process much easier and more rewarding. Whether you're trying to get out of debt, save for the future, or simply take control of your money, recognizing these mistakes is the first step toward financial independence. Here are the top 10 personal finance mistakes to avoid and how you can steer clear of them. 1. Living without a budget. Having a budget is like having a roadmap for your money. Without one, you may struggle to track your expenses, save effectively, or avoid overspending. How to fix it? Create a monthly budget that outlines your income, fixed expenses like rent, variable expenses like groceries, and savings goals. Use tools like mobile budgeting apps to stay on track. 2. Not building an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, both good and bad. Unexpected expenses, like medical bills or car repairs, can derail your finances if you don't have a safety net. How to fix it? Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible savings account. Start small by putting away a fixed amount every payday. 3. Ignoring high-interest debt. High-interest debts, especially credit card debt, can spiral out of control if left unchecked. The longer you take to pay them off, the more you'll end up paying in interest. How to fix it? Focus on paying off high-interest debts first, using the avalanche method, highest interest rate first, or the snowball method, smallest debt first. Avoid adding new debt while tackling your existing balances. 4. Failing to save for retirement. It's never too early to start planning for the future. Neglecting retirement savings is a mistake many people regret as they get older. How to fix it? Contribute to employer-sponsored retirement plans such as a 401k or open an IRA account. Take advantage of employer match programs, if available, for free money toward your retirement. 5. Overspending on non-essentials. It's easy to justify small indulgences, but repeated spending on things like coffee runs, dining out, or unused subscriptions can drain your bank account over time. How to fix it? Track your spending habits and cut back on unnecessary expenses. Instead of weekly dinners out, opt for meal prepping to save money. 6. Not setting financial goals. When you don't have clear financial targets, it's tough to make meaningful progress. A lack of focus can lead to haphazard savings and missed opportunities. How to fix it? Define your short-term, medium-term, and long-term financial goals. Whether it's paying off student loans, buying a house, or starting a business, having specific goals will help you align your spending and saving habits. 7. Neglecting insurance needs. Skipping essential insurance coverage like health, auto, or renter's homeowner's insurance leaves you vulnerable to costly emergencies. How to fix it? Evaluate your insurance needs and ensure you have adequate coverage. Shop around to find affordable policies that match your requirements. 8. Investing without research. Jumping into investments without understanding them can lead to significant losses. Fear of missing out or following trends can be risky. How to fix it? Educate yourself about different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Consult with a financial advisor to make informed decisions that align with your goals and risk tolerance. 9. Failing to plan for major purchases. Buying expensive items like cars or homes without a well-thought-out plan can strain your finances and leave you with unexpected debt. How to fix it? Research and save for major expenses in advance. Consider all associated costs, such as maintenance and insurance, before making a purchase. 10. Not reviewing your finances regularly. Many people make the mistake of setting financial plans or investments and never revisiting them. Over time, your goals and financial situation can change. How to fix it? Schedule regular financial check-ins, either monthly or quarterly, to assess your progress. This allows you to adjust your budget, goals, and strategies as needed. Resources. To further enhance your personal finance knowledge and skills, here are some excellent resources that can guide you. Books. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. A step-by-step guide to getting out of debt and building wealth with actionable advice. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. A classic book that offers a new perspective on money, investing, and financial education. Websites: mint.com, a free tool for budgeting, tracking expenses, and managing your financial goals. NerdWallet provides expert financial advice and comparisons for credit cards, loans, and more. Apps: YNAB, You Need a Budget, helps you create and stick to a budget while building financial stability. Pocket Guard keeps track of your spending and shows how much you can safely spend after accounting for bills and savings goals. Financial advisors. If you're unsure about where to start, consider consulting a financial advisor to create a personalized financial plan and investment strategy. By avoiding these common mistakes and using the resources above, you're setting yourself up for financial success. Take control of your money today and watch as your financial confidence and security grow.